Welcome to the Financial Bros channel. It's your boy Deuce.
Tony G in the building.
Tony G, what's good?
It's good. Another good
Financial Bros in the
job.
building with another video. Like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. We giving y'all those jewels for your financial knowledge. Before we get started, though, you know we got to shout out the brand. Insured Brand. Official brand of Financial Bros and soon to be everybody. You got the neck gaiters. For everybody, the city, state got the mask mandate. Or for my athletes. Or you can wear it like Tony as a headband, sweatband. Got the socks. And I got the brand new black and gold hoodies that's straight fire. Support the boys, though. Link in the description. So this video, we basically gonna talk about why they don't want us to win financially. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna tell y'all some stuff that, you know what I'm saying, that's if you look deep into it, you realize why. You know what I'm saying? And things you might need to do to change that outcome.
Definitely got to
So
change.
what's good, Tony?
Not much. Just about to give some free knowledge to the viewers out there.
Right. So you would tell me about how, like, even having money in your checking account ain't really even doing you no good for real.
Yeah, man. A lot of people that really don't know me like that, man. I love to read. I've been trying to just gain knowledge, and it's just like everything that we thought growing up, and it could be for any reason. It could be how you was raised, what you thought was the norm. Everything, it ain't what it is. They don't teach you certain stuff for a reason, and we need to crack down on that. Not only as adults, but it's also African Americans, man. They just getting over on us. So we definitely
right. Yo, for real, for like even like I know this ain't financing, but even when it come to eating, you know what I'm saying? That chart, the the health chart or whatever, they want you to drink milk. Like, why we need to drink cow milk? You know what I'm saying?
That's why people be lactose.
They just make money.
That's why people with lactose. A human being ain't designed to drink the milk from a cow.
Right,
that's why
cow
people
milk.
Lactose. You don't see a cow drinking human breast milk. So why we drinking? Why
stuff
we drinking
like that? Stuff like that was basically the trick is to make us so them farmers and stuff can get money. You know what I'm saying? So we can buy that milk. Tell us eat cheese, eat dairy, but you really don't gotta eat that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Eat beef, pork, the other white meat, like shit like that. You know what I'm saying? All that shit is a gimmick, yo. And on top of that, it was a gimmick. You know what I'm saying? To keep you unhealthy, to keep you in the doctor's office too. All that shit.
Right. It's all, even in the black communities. You don't see no in the hood. You don't see no organic stuff. You seeing carryouts, wings, subs, pizza spots, and it's just like, I mean, the same thing. It just come with your finances. And one of the biggest things especially that I read, it was just like black people in particular, we gotta be like so get out of the mode of being scared to talk about finances. Like we always know the mode, like don't ask me about no money or this and that. But ain't nothing wrong with talking to your kids or your family about money. Like white people or Caucasians, Jews, all them, they talk about money and they use that as a way to get money. We scared to talk about money. Like especially blacks, we won't even tell somebody where we bought our meal from or our outfit. So you know we ain't talking about no money. Like what's wrong with talking about money to your peer or your family member? We all in this game together.
Right.
And the same principles are just with finances. It's all the same.
Just like learning in school. Like you said, you went to school and you business, and the stuff you learning now, you learn none of that. You paid for 4 years of college.
Yeah, thousands of dollars in loans and stuff. And I had good professors, but they ain't know nothing about the stock market and all that. Like I'm learning more on my own. Even college, like all of that, it's not where it's at. You gotta, and that's why I encourage people of all races. You gotta read. You gotta turn that TV off, read a book, or instead of watching all these series, watch CNN or CNBC just to really gotta learn money. I'm telling you, it makes a big difference. Like
but you tell me, you were saying like maybe instead of like I'm saying your money sitting in your check account ain't really doing no good. You said put it in like a different account or something. You were telling me.
And I never forget a couple years ago when Dame Dash, she had that interview about on the Breakfast Club, and everybody was saying how broke he was, but in all reality, he wasn't broke. He was just flipping his money. Every time he brought money in, it would go to a different investment. So we already did the video on a savings account, but even with a checkings account, you say you work a 9 to 5. Why you need thousands of dollars in your checking account?
Right.
They ain't getting nothing out of it being there other than to look at your account as a pride thing and say, I got this much money in the bank. When that same money, you could use that to invest in something else. You could throw that money in the stock market, and you don't even have to buy stocks with all your money. You could just keep it in your buying power, and you could like have that your money, depending on what brokerage you're with, you can gain higher interest on your money just sitting in there than it would be your checking account. And there really ain't no difference in having a stock account or an investment account than a checking account, because you can still get a debit card if you need to make purchases. I mean, what's really the difference? Like I'm telling you, all that stuff is played out. Like if you
I got even with my you know what I'm saying, I got my Robinhood, and I got that Robinhood card with the Visa logo.
Like Robinhood, Fidelity,
I can spend a joint.
they all got their own cards, so you really don't need the money in the bank. You can pay your bills with them cards. It just all it's like all like people gotta just like think outside the box. I'm like, unless you got self-conscious issues and you just gotta look in your bank account and see thousands of dollars. Like me, I'd rather look at my stock account and see, oh yeah, I'm in the green today. I'm in the red today.
It's just institutionalized system that we all been, you know what I'm saying, brought up on, you know, our whole life. You know what I'm saying? And the people that got money, they know, you know what I'm saying, and they teach that to their kids. And we about to change that, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna change that, you know, change that wave, and we gonna do something different.
Right. See, the banks, they want you to do that. Like I told you with a savings account, your whatever money market account, you put that money in the bank, and they penalize you for getting your own money out, or if you end it early. And these same banks, you gonna run to them when you need a loan, so you just go and get your money back if you really think about it.
Right, like you said, I think you said last time, said or I read it somewhere that you better instead of putting money in savings account, you better buy stocks of that bank.
Yeah, I'm telling
you, financial institution.
You buy you a blue chip stock or ETF, you're gonna get more on your return. Like let's just say, I'm gonna just make up a number. Let's say 50,000 in your checking account. First of all, everything in your checking account, you ain't get nothing. A savings account, you might get like a nickel a month. Right. You better off throwing that $50,000 into a blue chip stock, an ETF, and you're gonna see way higher returns on your money.
Right.
Like it's no point. And people, it killed me because it's the same people that be nervous to get in the stock market be the same ones that go to the casino and gamble. Even if you get $50, $100, that's a share of apple.
Right. Like I said, they don't want us to learn this stuff, man. Like I swear, no lie, my CNBC, right, for the year forever. When I wasn't really watching that joint, that shit will work. Now all of a sudden I'm watching all the time now.
Right, conspiracy. It's crazy. Cause we sports guys. I remember I used to always flick by CNBC. I ain't never watched it, but now I watch the stocks like when the ticker like Sports Center, like with the scores. That's my scores now.
Right. I definitely just started I've been watching like Shark Tank on there, and I watched The Profit on there, but I really never watched, you know what I'm saying, the actual stocks until I realized what's going on. You know what I'm saying? And I rarely watch like ESPN and Fox Sports now because that's all I watch is you know what I'm saying, CNBC, all that. You
gotta know what's going on in the world, and because everything that goes on in the world affects the stock market. Like that's why this presidency, Trump is about that bread. Them Republicans, they want that stock market to be green. They want that stock market to do good. That's why everything, all these stuff, is all about it all comes back to the stock market. These wars that go on, this virus stuff, it all affects the stock market. So you gotta think outside the box and get a piece of the pie, because it's definitely enough for everybody.
Right. So like I said, they don't want you to know the stuff. So you gotta go out there and learn on your own. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go out there and read those books. You gotta follow the right people on social media instead of following, all the big booty pages and all the other crap. Follow use social media for your knowledge. You know what I'm saying? Benefit from use social media instead of just getting that poison in your brain.
Exactly, man. There's so much tools between books. You get free books at the library, YouTube free, man. Like you said, Instagram, man. People out here, you chasing that the woman you ain't gonna never get. But there's so many influencers on that teaching people for free. We one of them. We got the Instagram. It's free.
Right.
It's like, man, people after a certain time point in your life, you gotta change. You gotta change these bad habits that we was taught.
Right. So we about to wrap this thing up, man. Don't forget, man, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on IG. You know what I'm saying? We're going to keep on giving y'all good videos, finance videos, motivational videos, and all that, man. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.